Alright guys, what is up? We are back. As you can tell, it may look a little different here. I do have a new garage and a dirty lens. So, what are we doing in here? This is what we're doing. Got some new OEM style headlights. They're definitely not OEM because I only paid about $100 for them. So figured I didn't get the cheap ones. I got like mid-grade ones, but they're pretty much just OEM style with the black inside. I can't stand these chrome guys anymore. The guy has HIDs in them, so if I do end up blinding the shit out of people, which I know some Hondas do that, I'll probably just switch to LED bulbs. But let's get going on this.
Are you kidding me, dude?
This is what the I get to deal with. Alright, so I was so angry I forgot to shut off my music, so I'm going to do a quick little voiceover on this one so I don't get copyrighted. But anyways, the guy actually decided to cut the stock harness for these headlights, and pretty much, as you can see, just the power and the ground, leaving the high beam just sitting there wrapped up, which I later realized I didn't even have high beams, didn't even bother to check. And so these headlights are pretty much crap now. Oh my gosh, this is just... I guess I am taking the light out because this is ridiculous.
I pull this out, and it's a full adapter piece just for this. So I mean, I can unscrew this and ghetto rig this whole crap, but you know what? I'm going to say screw this. I'm gonna go get some freaking stock bulbs from AutoZone really quick for this thing. Get the connectors.
I'm gonna go run to AutoZone really quick. I'm gonna get the stock connectors. I'm gonna get the stock bulbs. I'm just gonna buy a quick fucking $15 hair set because this is stupid. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna. Alright guys, pretty much like how I figured. So, headlights are on, as you can tell. Let's come over here.
Turn on my high beams.
And looky, they're off. We're gonna do a test and see. Just to make sure. And I'll get the voltage, high beams, test that wire here. Yeah, we got voltage. So that is my high beam. Alright. One of these guys. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm not gonna show the second one. Headlights already removed. Let me clean this up, wipe it all up, put in the new headlight. I'll put the new headlight in, then clean it up. Might as well keep my hands clean. And then I will cut back when the new thing is in. And I have to remove that broken piece of headlight. 1 second. Alright, all clean, all wired up. All ready to go. Let's get this headlight on. Yeah, so here we go. Look. I'll shut these fans off here. Alright, way nicer. Check these guys out. These things. Once I get this bumper on, I think these things look so clean. I'm gonna get some LED bulbs, I'm pretty sure. Look at that. Way better than what I had on before. Just clean, simple. The black housing, I think it's going to improve the look so much. Let's get this bumper on. I'm going to detail it really quick and then get the bumper on. Change the whole look of the car. Once I get a better bumper, it looks so much cleaner. Looks a hell of a lot nicer. I like it a lot more than these doo-doo guys. I'm probably gonna have some fun with them. I'm gonna buff them. I might paint the insides. I might bake them and try it. See, worst case scenario. This I'm liking. I don't know. It's ready for some wheels soon. So that about wraps this video up, guys. Stay tuned for some more. And yes, have fun.